Xishuangbanna is a beautiful place in Yunnan Province, China, known for its primitive forests and rich ethnic cultural customs. Here, with vast tropical rainforests and rich and diverse biological resources, it is a unique and precious natural heritage. Xishuangbanna is also a multi-ethnic region with rich and colorful ethnic cultural activities such as water splashing festival and Dai dance. When you come here, you can taste authentic Dai cuisine and enjoy their traditional customs and dance performances. Whether it's hiking or expressing exotic customs, Xishuangbanna will bring you unforgettable and enjoyable travel experiences.